Do you know the kind of girls that look put together, confident, intelligent, and calm? They're not lucky. They're intentional. Now, let me be very clear about something. A real glow up isn't about becoming someone else. It's about removing the habits that are dimming you and finally letting your best version come forward. If 2026 is the year you finally decide to stop scrolling and start evolving, this video is for you. After studying every proven method, I created a complete framework on how to achieve this goal. Today, I'll be breaking down each part and showing you how you can apply it as simple as possible. Before we go any further, I want you to pause and comment below on becoming her in 2026. Because once you name an identity, your behavior starts catching up. Now, I want to be starting with the most fundamental and most critical and important thing, and it is discipline over extremes. Your glow up will never come from extremes. You will never see any of these results until it becomes your natural lifestyle. Our first part is using your mornings and nights wisely. It's scientifically proven that the first 30 minutes after you wake up and the last 30 minutes before you go to bed are the most powerful moments in your whole day. Your brain is more open, more receptive, almost like it's being programmed. This is called the theta brainwave state, which is the same state our brain goes in when we're in deep meditation. But here's the thing, if the first thing you do when you wake up is scroll through social media or rush into stress, you're feeding your subconscious mind with chaos and stress. Instead, if you want to be that girl, you should protect this time. Don't pick up the phone as soon as you wake up or before you go to bed. Don't fill your mind with stressful things. Instead, you need to highly prioritize things like gratitude, visualizing your higher self, calm affirmations, and stillness. What you focus on in these windows quietly shape who you become. Part 2 is move your body every day. It sounds simple, but trust me, it's completely different. This isn't about your daily movements like work or chores. It's about moving with intention. Set aside time each day to walk around the block or exercise however you want. Start simple with 5,000 steps and work your way up to 10,000. Put on music, walk slowly, be present. Moving isn't about shrinking your body or burning something off. That small intentional time creates space for your thoughts, helps you reconnect with yourself, and naturally lifts your mood. It leaves you feeling fresh, calm, and clear. Now, part 3 is about posture. Posture is your silent confidence. You should always be sitting taller, walking slower, with your chin up and shoulders back. People read your posture before they hear your words. It gives an impression before you even open your mouth, so make it a good one. When you look confident, people naturally treat you with respect. I personally experienced this in my university conference. There were like professors from all over the world, and this didn't happen once, it happened like 10 times. While I was simply sitting, professors would approach me thinking I'm a colleague of theirs. They would genuinely be surprised when I tell them that I'm just a student. Later on, many of them told me the same thing. It was the way I was sitting and how I carried myself. I looked calm, grounded, and confident. By the end of that conference, I was invited to the after party, not because of my title, but because of my presence. So trust me when I say that your posture speaks long before you do. Our fourth part is about skin. Now, I can go back and forth in this topic, but I will keep it short and simple. Clear skin doesn't come from aggression or a 30-minute skincare routine. I learned this the hard way, but it comes from calm. You should first define what problems your skin has and learn how to treat it gently. When you treat your skin properly, it responds effectively. Eat to nourish, not to control. You should stop asking how many calories. Start asking, what can I add to make my diet better? Or what can I substitute to make my diet healthier? Your plate should always have protein, fiber, color, and balance. And remember, the most confident girls aren't starving, they're nourished. And don't forget that your gut health will reflect on your skin, your hair, and your nails. Replace scrolling with depth. Now, this is a fact when I say that our generation's attention span is so short, we can't even sit through a 2-minute video without scrolling. And most conversations we have today don't even scratch the surface. But on the brighter side, that makes it easier for you. Smart is attractive. Read about different topics. You literally have search engines and AI in your hands. Learn how to use them properly. Be the smartest person in the room, and respect comes naturally without you even asking for it. Your attention is your power. Stop handing it away for free. Learn to sit with yourself. Stillness is where identity is formed. Meditation, silence, reflection. Learn how to enjoy your own company. Sit with your thoughts and learn how to deal with them. You don't need to escape your thoughts. When you can be alone with your mind, you stop depending on external validation. And once you no longer seek approval, something shifts. You naturally begin to choose healthier and more aligned inner circle. Peace changes who you allow access to you. Now, I would like to call this next two parts the that girl details. Always look put together. Your appearance speaks before you do, so don't let people meet you in your messy hair, messy outfit moments. Always look put together no matter the occasion. Fresh hair, clean lines, ironed clothes, and even on days when you feel lazy, a sleek bun or ponytail with a white top, blue jeans would never fail you. Believe first, then become. And that reminds us why I told you in the beginning of the video to comment down, because once you believe you're becoming her, you become her. You don't become confident after you level up. You believe first, stand in front of the mirror, look yourself in the eyes, speak to yourself as you are already her until it becomes natural. Now, my final advice to you, and here's the secret no one tells you. Move like your future self is watching. How you walk, how you sit, how you enter a room. Your brain believes what you repeatedly show it. And when you act like her, you become her. If you stayed until the end, comment below so I know you're serious about your evolution. 2026 isn't about perfection, it's about alignment. Thank you for watching and see you next week.